Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the HomePod not connecting to iPhone. So let's get started. The first method is fix number one is check Wi-Fi connection. Open the Home app on your iPhone. Tap on the HomePod icon to view its settings. Check the Wi-Fi network is listed under the HomePod settings. Ensure that both your HomePod and the Wi-Fi or the iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Fix number two, restart the HomePod. Open the Home app on your iPhone or the iPad OS device. Tap on your HomePod. Tap the ellipsis or scroll down to the bottom. Choose Restart HomePod. Fix number three is reset your HomePod. Open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the HomePod you want to reset. Scroll down and select Reset HomePod. Remove accessory. Remove. Wait for the HomePod to sound a chime to indicate the reset is complete. Get your iPhone or iPad ready to get set up HomePod. Plug HomePod into the power source and wait for the chip. Hold your iPhone or iPad close to the HomePod. Hold your iPhone or iPad over the HomePod. Finally, you can customize your HomePod settings. Wait for the setup and configuration to complete. So this is how you can fix the HomePod not connecting to the iPhone. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.